Every day when we look to the mirror, a question comes to our mind: if we can slow the aging of our skin. Does our DNA code determine our destiny? Actually, no. Can we change the functions of our genes? Yes, we can. Can our lifestyle changes our gene expression? Yes. How this will be done? This will be done through what's called epigenetics or above genetics. Actually, our DNA works like a cooking book full of recipe, and which recipe we are going to do is controlled by our epigenetics, or the switching on and off machine of our DNA. A real life example of this is monozygotic identical twins who inherit the same genetic materials from their parents. However, when they are adult, everyone has his unique health and disease state. On microscopic levels, epigenetics include DNA methylation, histone modification, and microRNA. What affects the formation of these epigenetic factors? It includes internal and external factors, and from the external factors comes our lifestyle choices. Unfortunately, our epigenetics can be transmitted to our generations in the good and the bad situation. An example of this is Agouti gene. Agouti gene is a specific gene in a mouse called Agouti mouse, which makes this mouse fatty, flabby, with yellow fur, and this mouse has many diseases, metabolic diseases, and dies early from cardiovascular and cancer. When this mouse was fed long term on grass, it gives birth to a healthy brown mouse with no diabetes and normal lifespan. What our lifestyle choices include? These include what we eat, how much activity you are doing regularly, and our psychological state. Starting from what we eat, how much greens are we going to eat? When we eat a lot of greens, a lot of vegetables and fruits, we let these epigenetic factors choosing the good genes to express. While we eat a lot of carbohydrates, sugar, alcohol, preservatives, we choose to make epigenetics the wrong part of the DNA with the disease state. Second item is, are we going to do regular activity and regular exercise? And our psychological state, are we keeping a positive thinking, stress avoidance, and active social activity? In addition to our lifestyle choices of eating, thinking, and exercising, there are other external factors that can affect our epigenetics, like smoking and pollution. Pollution, the most important is the traffic-related air pollution. And because our skin is the gate to the environment, it is the first defender against this environment and the first organ to be injured and hurted by any problem outside. So to slow our skin aging, we have to keep a healthy lifestyle pattern, use sunscreens, use moisturizer regularly to avoid skin irritation and inflammation, and keep our gait in a good state.